Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope everyone will have a good Memorial Day weekend. So let's get into it. So YieldMax filed for 12 ETFs. And this is dated May 22nd, and it looks like YMAX is gonna get real full in the future. So just one thing to note: this is not SEC approved. So 75 days after May 22nd, so that places us like kind of in the middle of summer. So it looks like they're going to be busy. And so there's the 12 ETFs are going to be one based on BABA, one based off Carvana, one based off of DraftKings, one based off Robinhood, off of JD, one off of Marathon, one off their PDD, so that's the owners of Temu, and one off of Palantir, one for Roblox, one for Shopify, one for SMCI, and one off of TSM. So it looks like they have like a good selection of like there's like something for everybody. So like you have some Chinese stocks, you have some gambling stocks like DraftKings and Robinhood. You have some Bitcoin related, so it's got Marathon Holdings over there, and then some kind of like AI-ish kind of plays like Palantir and SMCI and then TSM, and then some just like some internet like Roblox like gaming and some internet shopping, so Shopify. So looks like they have quite a few. So the only interesting thing here is like the I guess for Baba and for Marathon, I guess like they couldn't get baby, and then also for Marathon they couldn't get Mary, so I guess like the one was the next best thing with like, the O, and then I guess like nothing too crazy here. I guess like Robin Hood sounds kind of funny. It's like Hui, but all right. So looks like there's some decent ones, like some high implied volatility ones coming up. They didn't have like the expense ratios, surprisingly, but I guess it's gonna be like the same, like like around like 1% or like 99 basis points. So and then the management looks like there's a slight change, but like these are names that we've seen before, so nothing too crazy here. So it looks like they kind of shuffle some names around. So like for example, Jay is still obviously in here, and then you have like Chow Down, the CFA charter holder in here. The other one, I believe, is Charles Raghouse. I guess he's busy on some other ETFs, but nothing too crazy here. So I've been kind of like backing off of some of the high yield names, but I think in the future, I guess like when these come out, these will be good good for like rotation. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see like when they release these. But I think it's good that YieldMax is still like they're not giving up. Like they're still working on stuff. And then like YMax will I guess like be like kind of like the ultimate beneficiary of all this. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe if you can. Super thanks are also greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching. I hope people have been making some good money lately, and then also hope people have some good time off. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.